I'll be showing you step by step how to set up combinable discount codes in Shopify so your customers can apply multiple discount coupons at the same time. This is a must-have if you're running multiple promotions at the same time. Maybe you're running 10% off any order in your store, but there's a specific product that has a custom 15% off. You want to let the customer combine both coupon codes. And so the way to do so is to head to our discounts section in our Shopify admin, and that's on the left-hand side under discounts. So I'm going to click this here, and this is going to open up all my existing coupon codes. Now I'm going to start from scratch here, but you can easily go and edit existing coupon codes. So I'm going to go to the top right, clicking on create discount. First, I'm going to select amount off order as I want to do a total order discount. After that, I'll create a product discount and we can test out to make sure everything is working okay. So clicking on order discount brings up the discount creation menu. I'm going to say the discount code is just going to be fall 2023. And it's going to be 10% off all the products in my store. There's going to be no minimum requirements for the purchase. In terms of customer eligibility, it could be all customers, specific customer segments, or specific customers in general. I'm going to leave this as all customers. I'm not going to limit the maximum amount of uses. And this is the section we're paying attention to next. As if I zoom in, we can see this overall section is called combinations. So we can set whether this fall 2023 coupon code can be combined with product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts. Now I'm going to use that example I had at the start of the video, and I'm going to select product discounts. And to finish this off, I will need to add one more discount, but I'll do so after saving this one. For the active dates, I'm going to leave this as starting now with no end date. So I'm going to scroll to the top here and click on save. This is going to save my overall discount code. So I'm going to go back to the discounts menu again, going to the top right to create a discount, and this time I'm going to create a product discount. So to speed through it this time, I'm just going to say this one is called product 2023. It's going to be 10% off again. And if I scroll down here, I'm going to set it to be combined with order discounts. And I can see one order discount is set to combine, and that is the one I just created. Again, leaving the active dates untouched, and again, going to the top right and clicking save. And to note, I do actually have to select that product. So I'm going to set it to apply to specific product. I'm going to go to browse, and I'm just going to go and select the camping bag here. To save this, I'll click add, then go to the top right this time, and that should save successfully. And there we go. We can see product 2023 was created successfully. Now let's go and actually test out if this is working okay. So on the left-hand side menu, I'm going to hover over online store and click on view your online store. I'm going to scroll down until I get to the outdoor camping bag product, which I can see right here. Clicking on this will open up the product. I'm going to go and add this to my cart. So I can see I have 2 copies of this product in my cart here. And let's go and click on checkout, and this will let us add our discount codes. So we call the 2 of them fall 2023. So let's go and enter that one in first. So that's $10 off as a 10% off $100. And next it's product 2023. I'm going to click apply again, and I can see both my coupon codes have been applied now. Even though it's only showing a negative $9 discount, I can see both have been applied from $100 to $90 to $81, and that's 10% off each time. So in summary, what we did is for each discount code, we want to head down to the combination section and make sure we've ticked off either product discounts, order discounts, or shipping discounts in which this coupon code can be combined with. But this concludes the video here on how to combine. Before I go, I want to say that if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, as well as a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics. And it's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as many other cost of goods sold integrations. This is going to let you make smarter business decisions as you'll have a true understanding of how much profit your store is actually generating. You can get a 15-day free trial to test everything out for yourself, and there's a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store, and just look for this logo in the top left here for Profit Calc, discount codes in Shopify. So I hope you enjoyed this video here. If you did, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.